In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hover animated button component in Figma. Start by selecting the text tool and clicking anywhere on your canvas. Drag out a text box and type the word button, or any label you prefer. With the text selected, look to the right-hand panel. Under typography, increase the font size so your label is easy to read. This gives us a clear base to build a button around. Now right-click the text and choose Add Auto Layout. This wraps your text in a frame with padding, which makes it behave like a real button. You can resize it by dragging the edges, and the padding will adjust to keep the label centered and neat. In the right panel, scroll down until you see Stroke. Toggle it on and set the thickness and color to match your style. Then locate Corner Radius and increase it to 30 to get that nicely rounded pill-shaped look. Select your button frame and duplicate it by holding Alt and dragging to the side. This second copy will become the hover state. Click the duplicated button, and on the right side, open Fill. Choose a new color that contrasts with the default state, then switch to the gradient option. A subtle linear gradient can add depth and make the hover feel intentional and polished. Double-click the text inside the second button and change the text color to white for strong contrast against the new background. This ensures legibility when the hover state appears. Next, select both button frames. In the right side drop-down at the top of the panel, choose Create Component Set. This groups the two buttons as related variants, which is ideal for prototyping states. Move to the Prototype tab in the top right corner, click the first button variant, then drag the blue prototype node to the second variant. An interaction panel will pop up. Set the trigger to while hovering, so the change happens when the cursor is over the button. Under Animation, choose Smart Animate for a smooth professional transition between the two states. Create a canvas to test it by clicking the frame icon and drawing a new frame. On the left panel, switch to Assets, then open Created in this file. Drag your button component onto the frame so you can preview the interaction. Finally, select the frame and run the prototype. When you hover over the button, you should see the gradient state and text color fade in gracefully, confirming your hover animation is working.